Have you ever been thirsty and been like, I'm thirsty? Well, now introducing Liquid Beverage. Things you'll need for this project are a glass of some sort. It has to be this tall. Raspberry. Polar seltzerized seltzer. Another type of polar seltzerized seltzer. And icky, or as some of you weird people call it, ice. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first, you're going to want to take some of your ice and just go. And after that, you're going to want to pick up your seltzer bottle and you're going to want to pour just a little bit. Now, you're going to want to pour 0.5 centiliters into there. After that, you're going to want to take some of your raspberry and just go. After that, you're going to want to take a little bit of your seltzer, right? Yeah, just a bit of your seltzer. And, you know, pour it in there. Yeah, pour it in there. And after that, you're going to want to take more seltzer and go. And next, you're going to want to take your other seltzer and go. And after that, when you're almost all, you're going to want to go. Auto-tune, auto-tune. And now you have the perfect liquid beverage. Yeah, liquid. Potatoes. And because we are so confident that our liquid beverage is the best liquid beverage, we hired a professional liquid beverage taster. Oh, in case you to come in and drink our liquid beverage. Okay? It's not bad. It tastes.
You're an idiot.
Thank you.